Habibi Adil, we've got hundreds of families that we're hosting over this long weekend. Is everything set? Are we ready for this? Are the teams briefed? Is there anything you need from us? Wallahi, these are the guests of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah has placed them in our care. Excellence is the minimum requirement. Are we ready?
Insha'Allah.
They are ready. Relax. Have fun. Be inspired.
Brothers and sisters, we've heard it from the Mashaykh. Now let's go see the family retreat.
He wanted to show to Allah he had a good heart. How did he show it? Through his actions and his words.
Ad, very good. They were destroyed by wind. Tell me about people who were destroyed by sound.
You know, Shaitan has vowed from the time of Adam alayhi salam to not ever rest until he takes everybody down with him. And I take him down slowly, I hold on.
Somewhere where kids can have fun living Islam. Parents can learn from the mashayikh how they can teach their kids. I've never seen a community like this come together in a place like this.
تبارك الذي جعل في السماء بروجا وجعل فيها سراجا وقمرا منيرا وهو الذي جعل الليل والنهار خلفة لمن أراد أن يذكر أو أراد شكورا.
We go beyond Islam being just a set of knowledge, but actually a series of experiences.
There's no thinking about it. You just come, say Bismillah, you just go.
And by the way, I want to ask you a question. We want more than Adam. We want Ihsan. So do you have anyone on your team called Mohsin?
Love living Islam.